Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 50 SE, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then you can swipe down once again right here to extend the list of toggles, and somewhere here we should have our recording toggle. So for me it's right here, screen recorder. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It starts a countdown. Once you're done recording, you can just tap on that overlay right there on the square, and this automatically saves the screen recorder or screen recording, which once it's saved, you can find it in your Photos application. As you can see, it's right here. Unfortunately, it is being stored in the camera, meaning that once you're trying to find your screenshots or screen recordings, those screenshots also possibly will be in camera. You will need to flip through all the photos and videos that you have also captured with the device. So unfortunately, it didn't create a screen recording album strictly for this. But anyway, you can click on it right here and this will start the playback. By default, it is using microphone, so that's kind of the noise that you might be hearing. That's also one of the reasons why I wasn't talking, which you should be able to customize by holding the toggle. And as you can see, this takes you to the very limited settings where you can choose the video resolution, the sound, and also record touch interactions, which is a semi-transparent gray that shows up on the screen. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.